Do you still remember this tune? Does it bring back some memories? Recently, a new Dragon Ball series, Dragon Ball DAIMA, has been released, but I still miss the original, more classic Dragon Ball. How about you? Hello everyone, I am Uncle Tony. Today, we are going to make Dragon Balls. It's really simple, and all you need is a plastic ball and some paint. Let's go. Firstly, we need a transparent plastic ball, like the ones you hang on a Christmas tree. You can remove this part, or leave it on. I didn't remove it because I want to hang it on my Christmas tree this Christmas. We use orange-red for coloring. On a piece of white paper, draw the shape of a star, then cut it out. Place this on the orange-red Dragon Ball and paint the star red. I also added some lights inside, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Isn't it very simple? I only made one, but you can use this method to complete the remaining 6. That way, you can summon the divine dragon and make a wish. If you have good suggestions and improvement plans, please feel free to leave a message below for discussion. Your good ideas will make me do better. If you like my channel, welcome to follow, subscribe, share and repost. I am Uncle T. See you next time.